Starts 130, square left, good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go 130. Turn square left. Into crest, left entry chicane. And slight left, slight right, 90. 6 right short, over crest, 150. Turn square left. 180. Crest, 140. Turn square right. 160. Left of a jump, 200. Crest, slowing, 100. 3 right, half long, 60. Slight left of a crest, 30. 1 left, opens and tightens, past junction, 150. Slight right, slight left, and 4 right, into bridge, and 4 left, slowing, 30, turn, square right. 100. 6 left, long, tightens 5, into left of a crest, 130. Slowing, 6 right, 40, right entry chicane, 70. Left of a crest, 100. Jump, slowing, 100. Left of a crest, 40, turn square left. And crest, 110. Crest, 200. Turn, 1 right. And slight left, 130. Crest, 80. Crest, 230. Caution, 5 left of the crest, 30, 4 right, 30, 6 left, 40, slowing, right of the crest, 40. 2 right, to 1 left of the crest, into 6 right, 90. Turn, 1 right, tightens, 30, late 3 right, 60. Slowing, 6 left, into right of the crest, 40, open hairpin left, and crest, into 1 right, opens. And 6 left of the crest, slowing, 80. Turn square left, and turn, open hairpin right. And square left. 100. Square left. 90, unseen, square left. 90, 1 left short. Into hairpin right. And turn 1 left, tightens. 30, 4 right, 40. Crest, 80. Slowing, late 4 left, half long, into 3 right, opens, 30, crest, 50. Turn, 1 right short, and crest, 60. Slowing, 6 left, 40. Turn square left, and slight right, 60, over finish, 5 right to stop. Okay, that's a 4 minute 32.9.